So today I'm going to be using the SIF Goddess of Hair Fast Acting Bond Glue and Remover. This is vitamin B fortified for itch growth. Now this is their kit. I know you've seen me use their glue before, and trust me baby, it works. Now y'all know me, I'm not a big fan of glue, but it is kind of hot, and if you're going on vacation and you need a little extra protection, definitely go ahead and use this. Now inside this comes with the remover. Also, it comes with the glue. So I don't know if you can see that, it's the glue. And it also comes with, either you can use this as an applicator to put the glue on or to remove it. All right, y'all. So here is the glue. I already put foundation on the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this as the applicator. Now, of course, when you're putting this on, you want to use the remover. But since I already have makeup on, you know, I'll do that another time. So with this glue, I know it dries really fast. So actually, let me do it. So, and what I do is dots. So you want to do dots. And you want to do it. Now my hairline goes out and I don't really like glue in my hairline, so I usually skip that, and I'll use like the baby hairs of the unit to blend in. And now what I'm going to do is apply a thin layer of the lace bond, which is what I'm going to be doing, and make sure that the glue is clear and tacky, and apply a layer. So it does have this same 4 instructions, directions to actually put this on, just like before. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. And I'm going to do it like that. Now keep in mind, if you want to put more, you can put more. But because I swap my hair out, and because I really don't sleep in my units, I try not to apply such a thick layer. But if I was like going on vacation or my boo's house for obvious reasons, I want to make sure that this baby is down. So I'm going to let this dry. As you can see, it's already drying very fast. I remember that from the last time, and it still smells so good. So here we go. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to utilize the baby hairs. And y'all do not have to apply it like me. This is how I do it. I don't do any like extra plucking. And like my excess, you know, lace, I just tuck it behind my ear. And I'm going to do this to this part. And do it like that, like so. And look at that part. So yeah, there we go. This is how the hair looks. And I just put it on, y'all. And this baby ain't going nowhere. Okay, maybe right there. Gotta let that dry a little bit. But this baby is not going anywhere. Like, I'm like it's really good. So make sure y'all go ahead and y'all get the kit. Definitely get the kit because it definitely works in handy. And it comes with a remover. So you don't have to worry about trying to use any rubbing alcohol or any oils to try to remove the glue. So go ahead and check it out. You can definitely find this product on shophairwigs.com as well. And go ahead. All right, bye. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that bell for that notification link. Once again, make sure you get you one box and another box for your friend.